Here we go. Okay, so now on the ES, we have a high right here of 43.25, 43.50. So I'm going to sell 2 points below that. Okay, the high, let me just check on that. The high is right here at 43.50. Okay, so I'm selling right now here 41.50, and it just closed down, trading me in. It just went 4 ticks into profit. So after 4 ticks in profit, you bump the stop to break even, and it should go down to right there. Okay, that's in Thursday's lesson plan. I'm going to lock in just 1 tick on this so far, and we'll see where it goes. Okay, the swing low right here, once it goes through this swing low, it should go right down to that target number that I have. I'm going to lock in 4 ticks on this. The target number is down here, so that would be 13 ticks right there, I think. 6. It would be 13. I'm out with 8. Okay, that's 8 ticks.